Hey there, beginner traders. Have you ever thought about revolutionizing your trading game with AI? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use ChatGPT alongside Pocket Option to build a trading strategy that works in 2025. And the best part? You don't need any prior experience to get started. Before we dive into the strategy, I need to tell you something super important. If you already have a Pocket Option account, withdraw your funds and close it right now. Why? Because when you open a new account using my link below, you'll snag a 50% bonus on your first deposit. And here's the kicker, you'll also get 50% on any funds you redeposit. This offer is exclusive to my link. By joining through my link, you'll become part of my private trading team. I share free strategies, trade setups, and exclusive copy trading signals. So, make sure to do that first. Link is right below this video. Now, let's build an AI-powered strategy from scratch. Many people think AI trading is complex, but I'm here to tell you it's not. In this video, I'll show you how I asked ChatGPT to create a 1-minute binary option strategy and how I followed it to trade. Let's break it down step by step. Here's the simple setup ChatGPT suggested for a 1-minute pocket option strategy. Set your time frame to 1 minute and expiry to 1 minute. Use these indicators: EMA 9, yellow; EMA 21, blue; RSI 14 with levels 70 and 30, and the stochastic oscillator. The EMAs reveal the short-term trend direction. RSI helps spot momentum and overbought or oversold zones. The stochastic confirms the perfect entry timing. For a buy, call setup, watch for when EMA 9 crosses above EMA 21, RSI moves upward above 30 and 50, and the stochastic crosses upward and points up. For a sell, put setup, just reverse these conditions. Remember, it's all about these 3 confirmations and 1 trade direction. Here are 5 golden rules from ChatGPT. 1. Avoid trading during major news events. 2. Skip London and New York session openings. 3. Focus on pairs with strong trends. 4. Risk no more than 2 to 5% of your balance per trade. 5. Don't overtrade. Focus on quality over quantity. Let's walk through an example without charts. EMA 9 crosses below EMA 21. Confirmation 1. RSI dips below 50. Confirmation 2. Stochastic crosses down. Confirmation 3. That's your moment to enter a 1-minute put trade. AI doesn't trade emotionally, it sticks to logic. That's exactly what you need in binary options. And if manual trading isn't your thing, you can copy my trades 100% automatically. When I profit, you profit. But remember, this is only for my team members. So, close your old account, reopen with my link below, and claim your 50% bonus. Message me once you've done it to join my private team. The sooner you join, the sooner you start trading smarter. Let AI be your guide, and let profits roll in on autopilot.